I charge $500 for website audits like this, and Claude created this one in only 4 minutes. It found something on the restaurant's website that could be sending real customer inquiries to the wrong place, but that wasn't even the worst problem. I'll show you the finished report in just a minute, but first let's see if you can actually build this for free. This is Burma Social, a restaurant here in Singapore with 2 locations, and the website looks completely fine. We've got menus, reservations, locations, nothing obviously broken. So I gave the URL to Claude and asked it to audit the entire business. And this system comes from this GitHub repo called Claude SEO. I gave Claude the link and told it to install everything. And you can see that it immediately failed. The normal installer wouldn't work. And then Claude discovered that my Mac was using the wrong version of Python. And I thought that this video was dead before the audit even started. But Claude found another version, rewired the installation, and got the system running. Now for the actual test. Start a new code session, hit /SEO/audit, and then paste the URL. Hit enter. Claude found 17 pages and started checking every single one. Then warnings began to appear. One looked minor, one could confuse Google, and one could directly lose the restaurant business. After 4 minutes, it was done, and the website scored 53 out of 100. Claude found 23 separate problems. Some were boring, but 3 made me stop. The first is the email link for the restaurant Siglap location. Now it looks normal until you inspect the address, and they've actually misspelled Siglap. That means somebody could visit the website, decide to inquire, click the correct button, send a message to the wrong address, or the email bounces. That's one typo, but real lost business for Burma Social. And the next discovery was even stranger. Further down the same website, Claude found this: a different address, different postcode, different opening hours, a Gmail address, and this phone number, which isn't a phone number. It looks like an abandoned website template that was published alongside the real business information. So a customer and Google can encounter 2 different versions of the same restaurant on the same page. But the third discovery affects pages Burma Social had already built specifically to attract customers. Claude found pages for vegan restaurant, Asian food, set lunches, bottomless brunches, and these are the exact kinds of searches that could bring people through the front door. But Claude checked the entire site and discovered something ridiculous. Almost nothing links to them. So Burma Social created 4 pages to track search traffic and then effectively hid them from its own website. And these pages exist. Google can technically find them, but the website barely acknowledges them. But these findings alone are not what I charged $500 for. I needed a deliverable. So I gave Claude one final instruction: turn everything into a client-ready website audit in PDF format. It took all 23 findings, ranked them, added the evidence, and converted everything into an action plan. And here's the action plan: a complete website audit for Burma Social. What it's costing them, the overall score, critical problems, screenshots showing exactly where they occur, the business impact, recommended fixes, and a step-by-step action plan. And this is extremely close to the kind of document I would normally charge $500 to deliver. And Claude completed the research in 4 minutes. But I still wouldn't send the raw output directly to a client because they found the evidence. But my job is to verify what is true, removing what doesn't matter, and deciding what gets fixed first. And that is how Claude turns hours of audit work into minutes. And I'll link everything that you see in this video in the video description below. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Watch the next one on screen. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you next time.